And we're back. Okay, so
Are you gonna cut that out?
probably.
Oh.
I don't know. He yelled into the microphone right before. Yeah, this one's hard because they put these stairs like right over the edge.
I'm on the edge.
Well, I got those two out.
You still got hit.
I know. But oh gosh,
You did a flip. How are you doing that?
I don't know.
That's amazing. You've done it twice now. How do you not know?
I don't know how it's done. I can't figure it out. It's not on purpose. Trust me.
What did you say was your favorite MCU movie of all time? You did it again.
I know. I don't know. Guardians probably.
What? That's mine.
I mean, I don't know though.
Didn't you really like Civil War?
I mean, it was good. You know, Homecoming.
Ah.
I don't know. I'll have a probably better answer for you.
Oh, speaking of Spider-Man stuff, guess what I found out?
Uh-huh.
In the cartoon Spider-Man movie with Miles Morales,
Into the Spider-Verse?
yeah, guess who's gonna be playing as Peter Parker? Andrew Garfield.
Oh, actually, I think I knew that. Yeah.
So, Sony's going full circle. Or, somewhat of a number 6. Because they're not doing, Tobey Maguire.
Yeah. This puzzle's extra hard because you don't really have to do it. It just makes the game a lot easier if you can figure it out.
It doesn't look that hard.
Yeah.
Just spin the things around until you see them all green.
Oh yeah, 'cause that's how it works. Oh.
Yeah, see?
Whatever. Shut up.
I told you. Did you know he was there?
That's why, kind of why we're in here. Because this part's really hard. If like you don't, because if you, because like I said, it's optional.
Yeah.
But pretty much, like you're gonna lose a lot of HP if you don't do that. So. Unfortunately, there's another part just a little bit further in, and I don't know if there's supposed to be a clever way around it or not. But it's pretty much just this part, but you have to do it.
When do you want to go back for the health upgrade?
I'll do it between sessions, I guess. Like, we'll finish with this part, and then I guess it'll be it for today, maybe, depending.
Maybe.
But I'm gonna do it off camera because all it is him drinking another thing, so it's nothing really worth saying.
Oh, I think
Oh goodness, I didn't see them.
they were there.
Were they? Were they there that whole time?
I don't actually know. I wasn't paying attention. Well, they're about to not be. Bang. Bang.
Bang, 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 bang. Hey, I got back to 3 HP.
Bang, bang into the room. You know you want it. Bang, bang. Alright, what's in there?
I think there's a...
Hi!
That's how you do this part clever. Oh, I figured it out. I never noticed this before.
You played this game how many times?
Not as many as you might think. But, I had no idea that was a thing you were supposed to do.
Hey, learn something new every day.
I feel smart.
Feel smart?
Yeah.
Well, I'm proud of you.
Are you?
Yes. Very.
It's like, no. It's like, just like my mom.
Aww.
Yeah.
That's cute. You think you have daddy issues.
But, Yeah, I had no idea that that's how you dealt with them dudes.
Is there a third one?
No, those were the third ones. Oh, the part?
Yeah.
No. That's pretty much it.
Oh, okay. Alright, back to sucking.
Well, actually, yeah.
Yeah, I totally called it. I get it.
Oh, it's Brotherhood.
Ooh. He almost bit you.
Almost.
They remind me. You didn't play Smash, the original. But in it, there's a stage in the single player mode where you have to fight 30 just polygons, polygon forms of characters. Yes. Yeah, it's exactly what it is. But it reminds me of the polygon that's based on the Yoshi model.
Those things?
No, the little ones. The
Yeah.
little...
Yeah. Not up.
Yeah, that's what they remind me of.
Oh. I don't really see it, but okay.
You didn't play it.
Nope.
So...
Whoops. That wasn't the right weapon.
They also look like retarded xenomorphs.
Retarded xenomorphs? That's an insult to xenomorphs.
Who cares? Oh, I'm sorry. If there are any xenomorphs out there and you are offended, my condolences to your feelings.
To your feelings? Is that how you're gonna phrase that? Really? I apologize to your feelings directly. Not to you. Just your feelings. I shouldn't be alive. I should have died in that cave.
How much else do you have?
Hello, Captain Ratchet.
Lieutenant Quark.
So Quark can breathe in space.
Come and get me, hero.
Did his eyes get bigger?
Yes.
In there.
Great idea. Let's go.
Oh goodness.
Oh!
Thank you. Tonight's event will be
Playing.
rebroadcast at 7 on channel
Are they inverted?
4073.
I think they were. I wasn't ready. Alright. Alright, here we go.
So down is up.
I got it.
Here's a little something from me to you.
You're not supposed to
No
target the
way.
one thruster.
That's fine.
Pretty good for a beginner.
Whoa! There are mines. Oh, it's the same cell thing.
I mean, it does matter.
Like cell type power bar.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. You got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. They just appeared. Oh, he has a shield.
Yeah. But this is pretty much how you get your health back.
By running into the thing.
But I do have to run into it, yeah. Oh, it does not give you that much HP back. At all.
Yeah. Oh, you're rocking a good 50% right now.
Yeah, well, so is he.
Fair enough. Alright, good job. You didn't get hit. You got the health box. Now you're at 20%. What?
I went down? I get a rocket gun. That's arguably more important. I don't want to stop these guys.
Yeah, that does not give you a thing.
I'm sure it helps.
Well, it looks like
He's over here trying to...
Come on.
Oh, no.
This is what happens when you get careless.
No, he hit a sharp turn. I wasn't expecting it.
You got careless.
I got it.
You know, Ratchet, I'm doing this for your own good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm the man.
Ow. I would like you to not.
Yeah?
Would you
Well,
want to go and do a thing like
too
that?
bad. I am.
Boy, you suck.
Did you just say you suck?
Let's have a little face time.
I think he was trying to say you son of a... Like I said, elsewhere.
I know.
Enough practicing.
Wow, you're...
Let's have some fun.
Okay, so now you're getting your health back, but you don't need any. She's off with the missiles. It's not like it matters.
I'm more trying to get the rockets. I mean, rockets and the missiles than the help. This was just really something smart. But, like, I still want it.
Why, those buffoons. They could
Alright, here we go.
Side of my fitness trainer.
Talking about his fitness trainer. Remember her?
The Ouija trainer?
No, his fitness trainer.
You are in big trouble. Big trouble.
Always alternate.
But yeah, remember his fitness trainer? The big lady?
Yeah.
Maybe you can.
Yeah, I guess. Dr. Missiles. I don't have. Oh.
Hey, Ratchet! Mayday! Mayday! Well, Ratchet, I guess you passed the test. Oh, boy.
Oh my god, this
Bah.
character.
Bah.
That is a jewel that we don't deserve.
Quark is
What?
history.
Despite my earlier
Yeah.
criticism, I must admit.
Is he not
your
in any of the
piloting
other
skills
games?
are
He is in
improving.
all of the
I
other
knew
ones.
He's in all of them?
But
He's
that
an
has not
integral
helped us
character.
locate
Oh,
Drake.
yes.
Come on, Clank. Can't you just once relax and enjoy a little success? Hey, you want to catch Drek? Bet you this baby can do it.
The info bomb?
Of course.
This is
The
Darla
secret
Gratch
success.
reporting live from
Hey.
Florida City. This once peaceful planet is being torn apart today in an unprovoked attack. It now seems certain that Supreme Executive Chairman Drek will not be dissuaded in his efforts to destroy the galaxy for his own selfish needs. All hope certainly seems lost.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
You're sparking.
Yes, I know. It is worse than I expected, too.
Look, maybe you were right. This is a lot bigger than you or me. I was really selfish focusing on Quark.
It is not too late to stop Drek.
Hey, yeah! We've got this new ship. Let's go get him.
Now you are talking.
And now they're best friends because Ratchet got what he wanted. Remember, folks, just whine about what you want and push away all the people you love, and when you get what you want, everything will be better.
I wanted to play BioShock.
Okay.
We're gonna play BioShock, right?
You're gonna play BioShock.
Oh my, am I?
I'm not gonna play it. I played it.
Yeah, but you've also played this.
Yeah. But BioShock's straightforward. This game isn't.
I hope you know I'm gonna be terrible at BioShock.
It's fine. But anyway,
No, we still got some
it's fine. No, we're not gonna get it out. We're gonna end it here. Well, alright guys, thanks for joining us once again, and we'll see y'all next time.